Today we celebrate Ascension Day. Ascension Day reminds us that Jesus didn't just leave the earth. He was exalted above it, rising in glory before his disciples, taking his rightful place at the right hand of God. This was not a departure, but a declaration that Christ reigns over all power, all darkness, and all things seen and unseen. His ascension means our Savior is not distant, but sovereign, not absent, but alive and interceding for us. It is the assurance that our hope is anchored beyond this world, that heaven is real, and the King who conquered death is now preparing a place for us. So today we not only remember, we rise in faith, fix our eyes above, and live with the bold confidence that Jesus is Lord of all.